Welcome back to Joystick Jerkers.
Yeah, welcome jerkers.
That's some energy. We are amped.
I know. We need something. Maybe like a line of
a little bump.
A little bump in our step.
Yeah, we found this. I found this WWE game. And yeah, there's a character creator. Is that your impression of the Wii?
Yeah, it's really loud because can't use music because of the copyright, I guess.
Yeah, I'll put some royalty-free music in here.
Yeah,
some
awesome.
Calm ukulele.
Yeah. I think, yeah, sure, man. I got an idea. Go green. Yeah, he'll be our jerker.
This is the jerker?
Yeah, this is what our
our mascot?
Our average fan looks like, yeah.
Average fan, all 5 of them?
Exactly.
He looks like a carrot.
Kinda. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah! That's my Macho Man impression.
He looks terrifying.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Or do we give him a goatee?
No, I say go with the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
But we'll go pink stash. That's gross.
Like a gash in his head.
No, he looks like he got cut open. You want to give him some
eyeshadow?
Or some face?
Oh my god! That's terrible.
I know, that looks horrifying.
Give it to him.
That is what you want to do?
Yeah, that's what I want.
Okay, alright. It gets rid of the entire mustache.
Fine. It keeps the gashes on the side of his face.
Make his neck super small.
Super thin. He looks like a Goron. He looks like a stack of pancakes. Doc, should I get these checked out?
I'm gonna make his chest super tiny, but the rest of him is like huge.
Oh, good lord.
Look at how big they are! Wow! That's what your feet look like. Super long.
No, make his hands super tiny.
Like all of his hands?
Yeah. No, keep him long, keep him long.
Oh, keep him long.
Keep him long.
Okay. This is terrifying.
Give him the tiger.
That's good.
Red. Flag. I saw flag.
Oh, that's good. What do we want to do?
You give him the American flag.
The American?
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. Oh, yeah.
Bad.
Look at how big he is. Look at how big his quads are.
Give him the 2-piece.
The birthday
Yeah, suit? Buddy. That's the one.
Yeah, I like that. Overall fit.
Give him the Kill Bill. Give him the Kill Bill.
This one?
Yeah.
This is good.
This is awesome.
Can't have it.
Now this is content.
Yeah, right.
Oh.
Okay.
What's his name?
I think this one's on you.
Okay. Hell yeah.
That's gross.
Oh my god. Smile.
Yeah. Oh, you can have him with fucked up teeth? Ew.
Yeah, he's jaundiced.
He's got the jaw.
And he's very old.
Something stupid, not something cool.
Yeah, I do too.
The bunch of... He's got scabies.
Yeah, let's give him scabies. He's jaundiced and scabie ridden.
Yeah, that's so gross, dude.
And he's had a full glass of milk.
That's what you're child's gonna look like.
God. I hope so.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
What is that? What are you putting on his
It
chest?
says Hall of Fame.
Right. Oh god. They're gone!
You know what? That's good.
What's that?
It's to hide the fupa.
It's the fupa.
His name is Def Jam.
That is so stupid, Lennon.
But his nickname.
I like the font that they use.
Grundle.
Grundle, right.
Grundle Thunder.
Grundle Thunder. Parts unknown hometown.
Yumpire versus Grundle Thunder. That's the title.
Do 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 do. We should make them into plushies. If we ever sell merch. Get your Yumpire.
Get your Yumpire merch. Oh, fuck.
He takes up the whole screen. The professor. Holy sh! Look at his feet.
They're so big.
It looks like he has fins on. How would they fit a belt around him? Look at his back! Holy shit! Yeah.
I'm gonna wrestle ya.
Oh god! All right. Yeah, get him. Get him. Yeah. On fire.
What was Grundle? That was Grundle Thunder.
Oh, here we go.
The fire is burning Grundle Thunder.
Oh, I can flip. Attack him! Attack him! Kick him with your fins.
Grundle is hot. Very hot.
Yeah.
Let Grundle out. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, he died. This is just Macho Man in disguise. Yeah.
Oh god. I don't want him to get a hold of me. Oh no.
Don't fuck with me.
He's fucking me up. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Fuck.
Is this the greatest game of all time?
Maybe on the Wii.
Ever.
Look how tall he is.
I mean, fuck, you're both monstrosities. Grundle Thunder's gonna get ya.
You know, I know. Oh wait, I'm gonna get him. Boom! Back of the head with my flippers, man. You imagine having feet that big and long? I mean, you probably.
Who's the heel?
I don't know. We both
Got booed.
Yeah. So I don't know who the heel is.
Here, let me see.
Yeah, you give it a go. Give it a go. Yeah, drop on him. The flames are getting bigger. You're kind of good at this.
Yeah, I know. I'm fucking him up.
Yeah, punch him, punch him, punch him.
Get fucked.
Signature, hit your. Oh, whoa. How did you do that?
I don't know. Stay down.
I'm gonna hit you with my claws. Look at his back when you do that. Oh. Again. Oh, nice little butt touch. How are you doing that?
I'm just fucking. I'm god at this game, dude.
Oh, he's telling you to get up.
Come on.
Yeah, he's telling you to get up. He wants more. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, he's all yours. Keep kicking him. I don't know how to end the match.
I don't know either.
Like, is it something to do with the flame?
At what point do we both catch on fire?
Yeah, right. That's why they lit it on fire, to get rid of you guys. Oh, well, it looks like it did something.
It's 500 degrees in here, dude.
You gotta hit him with a move. Another move. It just showed you how to do your finisher.
Well, I didn't see.
Again. Again.
Again.
You are fucking him up. Oh my god! Oh my god! How?
I don't know. I really don't.
He's bleeding.
Is he?
Yeah.
Stay down. Stay down.
Look at his face. He is dropping you.
I don't understand how the match ends.
Neither do I. We're stuck in this infinite
This is
loop.
purgatory, dude. Oh my god, he is bleeding.
I know, he's bleeding everywhere. You're gonna get his scabies. Oh, he's getting on the rope. Oh, you got it.
Yeah, getting on the rope. He's getting on the rope. He's getting off the rope.
Yeah.
How many times can I kick him in the balls before it lets me do the finish?
Well, you're about to be at 500 degrees from kicking him in the dick.
That's fine.
Come on. Oh, shit!